everyone, my name is Pulkit and this video is dedicated to all the Delhi people who have never seen Delhi like this before.
Hey everyone, my name is Pulkit. I'm a videographer, cinematographer, filmmaker, whatever you want to call it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends. Also, I started making travel vlogs. If you haven't watched my recent travel vlog, you should watch it. Just right here on the top of the screen. Also, I will be releasing a full Delhi vlog really soon, so I think you should subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Thanks a lot. I hope to see you in my next video soon. Bye.